Monster truck flying stunt.
Monster truck, do you really dare to jump that? I bet he can't jump over it.
I'm the best monster truck. I can easily fly over obstacles. Just watch me. What happened?
Wow, that fall looked really bad. See? I told you that you couldn't do it.
Okay. I need help. TinkerBot, I need help.
Monster truck, what happened to you? Did you jump into a mud pit?
I hit a chocolate obstacle while doing my flying stunt and fell down.
That sounds like a very tricky stunt. You should try again someday. But first, let me take you to get cleaned. Monster truck, there's a cherry on your head.
Please wash it off for me. Thank you.
Cleaning time. First, rinse with water. Add bubbles. Scrub the bubbles. Rinse with clean water. Blow dry with the fan.
Thank you, TinkerBot. I feel much better now.
Oh no! There's a hole in your tire. Let me stitch it up. Add some glue. And spray anti-crack coating. Now let's pump up the tire. All done.
Great. Thank you, TinkerBot.
Your truck stickers need repainting too.
Wow, it feels great to drive again.
Wax and polish. Shiny, shiny. Finally, I'll add a new device to help you finish your stunt.
So cool! I can't wait to fly again. Yay! I did it!
Congratulations! You finally jumped over the ice cream.
Thank you, TinkerBot. Next time I want to jump over a pizza.